Hi, this is Adam with SERVPRO of North Shasta, and this is SERVPRO's Tips on the Go. Today we're going to talk about how to prepare your home for a winter storm. Now obviously with the onset of winter, we're going to have snow and ice and lots of other things that can cause water damage to your home. So here are a few tips to help prevent damage during these winter months. Clean your rain gutters. When rain gutters are clogged, it allows water to sit inside of them. And this is eventually going to cause the wood that your gutters are mounted to rot, and that may allow water to enter into your home. Cut away trees or branches near your home. Now, I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and about 10 years ago, there was a pretty devastating ice storm that pretty much knocked out the whole city because the trees had froze over, there was ice all over them, and they fell, knocking down the power lines pretty much through the whole city. I know that's a much bigger scale of what you don't want to have happen, but in the same sense, when older trees that are not maintained get cold and they get wet and have snow on them, it's very easy for them to break apart and fall. Now these trees, if they're too close to your home, there's a likelihood that they can fall on your roof or damage your home in any other way. And lastly, have your chimney inspected by a professional. Of course, many of us love to use a fireplace during the winter months, but that can become dangerous if they're not upkept throughout the year. So definitely have somebody take a look and make sure that it's safe to use before you start it up again. If you have any tips or questions you would like answered, feel free to leave them down in the comments, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.